Well, here we go. A decent winter system is beginning to push on through, and we're expected to see several inches worth of accumulations when all is said and done. In fact, some places could see close to 10 inches of snow thanks to this. Now, this morning, we did start off with temperatures into the teens for lows, and we only warmed into those upper 20s, with Huron being 31 degrees and Mitchell at 34 degrees. Those are definitely the warmer points, but as we start to plan ahead, thickening cloud cover, and now some of the initial bands of snow are beginning to lift north into our region. This is all part of a system that continues to feed in moisture to this low pressure system, and that's why we're going to watch some of these snow totals really start to ramp up. Now, what's happening is this low pressure system is going to lift to the northeast, and we are just on the right side of it to see the highest accumulations of snow thanks to this. Now, the good news is this high pressure system does move in quickly afterward. On Sunday, for the most part, we're going to have very clear skies. A couple of high thin clouds will be sticking around, but then you might notice that low pressure system down to the south that has just a light chance of tagging us, but does need to be noted in the forecast as we plan ahead. All right, Friday night into Saturday is when we're definitely going to see our heaviest amounts of snow. Late on Saturday, that snow finally starts to clear on out, leaving us with several new inches worth of accumulations, with some places seeing around 10 inches of snow, specifically towards Clark and Redfield. Now, these pink shaded counties that you see, that's a winter storm warning, and that is active until 6 p.m. on December 26th. Those blue shaded counties is a winter weather advisory, also active until 6 p.m. And that's thanks to these snow totals that we're really expected to ramp up through our region. As we look across the region, those blue shaded areas are going to see 5 to 6 inches, but once we start to move into the purple, 7, 8, and even 9 inches of snow is a very real possibility. Aberdeen, for example, you're expected to see around 6 versus Watertown. You're expected to see about 2.5 inches more of that snow, just very well based upon where that bands really line up, and it's looking to be right across Watertown for the heaviest amounts. Winds will also be kicking out of the north, and that's going to stir up some of that loose snow on the ground, so expect visibility is being reduced somewhat on the second half of Saturday. The good news is on Sunday those winds definitely lighten up and become light and variable. The bad news is Sunday sees much cooler temperatures on the horizon, holding on to that for Monday as well. And then there's those light chances on Tuesday and Wednesday with that low pressure system that is down to the south of moving on through, offering us a chance for a little bit more snow.